Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. Today we're grilling up a steak and bacon cheeseburger at the pit, and it's real easy to do. And first off, we'd like to thank Citrus Safe Grill Cleaners for sponsoring this video. We appreciate your support. All right, for this recipe, you're going to need some cheese. You're going to need some seasoning. Here we've got an onion. Here we've got about 5 pounds of ground beef chuck. All right, get chuck if you can. We've got some bacon. And here's the magic. These are gonna be the steaks, all right? And we're using a boneless ribeye roast here. You wanna get the best you can afford for real tenderness, right? So here we're gonna cut our steaks off a boneless roast. All right, now, we're gonna prep this burger a little bit. Like I said, about 5 pounds of ground chuck. And we're gonna season it up. Here we're using some SPG. Use your favorite seasoning. At least get some salt and pepper in there. You always want to flavor your burger first, right? All right. Now we're going to make about 4 burgers out of this. Simple enough, right? You want to make them good size because this is an awesome burger. And it's real easy to do, like I said. Step up that ordinary burger that you're doing at your pit and check this recipe out. All right. Rolled up some meatballs, much easier to do if you've been watching us over the years, and then shaping them out. And you can see that we haven't really tightened this a lot, right? It's kind of a loose mix formed, and that's the way we want to do it. And we're throwing it on a grill, and we're doing it indirect. And you can see there's 3 zones, 2 hot zones, to the left and right, and in the center there's no charcoal underneath. And we do that because we want that burger to stay formed and together. Now, let's cut some steak off the roast, and all we're doing is cutting thin slices using our old hickory 14-inch carbon steel butcher. Use what knife you got, all right? So we're doing some real thin slices here. That's really important. We want this to cook real fast. All right. Looks good enough to eat already. All right, the burgers are coming along. It won't take long, all right? Cook them to the temperature you normally like them at. If you like them rare, medium rare, or well done, whatever. We'll cook ours pretty much medium on this. Give them a flip, and they come together real nice by doing our indirect grilling there. All right, let's season the steak. Of course, you want to season the steak. Like I said, we're going to be using our SPG. There's some salt, pepper, garlic, several other ingredients in there. Works real good. Use your favorite steak seasoning. All right. All right. Now, the burgers are just about done. We're going to be putting some cheese on there to melt, and that's when you want to put your steaks on. They're only going to take a few minutes to cook those steaks, right? Oh. Whoa. All right. And through the miracle of time, those burgers are done. The cheese is starting to melt. And in only a minute or so, those steaks are done, right? Don't overcook them. They'll toughen up on you. Oh, baby. We're eating good tonight. I told you this was going to be real easy to do. This is no ordinary burger either, right? Throw them on some good buns. Take a look at that. Now, we smoked up some bacon on the side. You can set these up any way you want, all right? Use your favorite condiments. Here we've got a nice sweet Vidalia onion. Sugar sweet, like an apple. Toast the buns up just a little bit, freshen them up. Maybe some mayo. We've got some nice chili sauce there. Just hook them up the way you want. There's some chup. And of course, as always, we do apologize for eating in front of you like this, but we call this Pitmaster privilege. And we appreciate your support. Give us a thumbs up, follow us, subscribe to us. We've got over 15,000 chapters in over 100 countries. Start your own chapter by heading on over to our website and signing up. And of course, the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.